the unifier. One nation, one Nigeria. Articulating yo. Atiku for president. Atiku the unifier. One nation, one Nigeria. Oh yeah, take a stand now for a better tomorrow. Economic will be good again, no. Leadership for justice and fairness for us. Empowerment to the women, I hope for the youth. And now security for Nigerians.
Jama'a sun ce sun ga Atiku yana tafi yana murmushi amma ba su gan shi yayi rawa ba. Yanzu a bude mishi. APC ta ci wuta. APC ta ci wuta, a sa mana wannan wakan. Minti daya. PDP Banji Kuba PDP Borno to Nigeria fa na so mutanen Abuja su ji Nigeria fa to jama'an Borno, assalamu alaikum. My fellow citizens of Borno State, when we arrived, we paid a courtesy call to the Shehu of Borno. And in his address, he requested us to attend to about 4 or 5 issues that are the problems in Borno. One of them, he requested us to restore peace and security of the state. And we promise him that by the grace of God, if PDP is elected, we shall restore peace and order in Borno State, not only in Borno State, throughout the country. Secondly, he requested us to make sure that we reactivate Chad Basin Development Authority so that our farmers can go back to farm, so that we can produce food for our own people, and so that we can also reduce unemployment. And we promise him on that. He requested that we should make sure the local governments are supplied with power or electricity, which we promised we will do so. Again, he requested that we should reactivate the exploration of oil and gas in the Chad Basin, which we promise we are going to do that by the grace of God. So, the people of Borno, we thank you very much for this reception, for this support. We look forward to the day you will vote for PDP. Enough of hunger, enough of insecurity, enough of unemployment. enough of suffering. Do you agree? Do you agree? And enough of too much taxation. Jajari has said it. We will work together with him and we make sure that you are exempted from exorbitant taxation. Thank you very much and God bless you all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the people of Borno State, you have the choice between electing a vice president and a president. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Northeast, you never got vice president before. What do you want now? What do you want now? God bless you. Now I'm going to give the microphone to the national chairman to present the winning victory flag to the gubernatorial candidate of the PDP in Borno State, Alhaji Damagun.
A madadin jam'iyyar PDP na ƙasa, a madadin jam'iyyar PDP na ƙasa, ina so miƙa wannan tutar jam'iyya, tuta mai albarka wanda za ta dawo muku da martabar jihar Borno a ɗan takaranku na gwamna Muhammad Ali Jajari. Wannan ita ne silar dawo muku da 'yancinku, dawo muku da walwala, dawo muku da ci gaba. To, da wannan mun zo ƙarshen wannan